Hello, this is Francis Gaskins with IPODesktop.com, and today I'm joined by James Winter. Hi, James. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you, Francis.
Great, and thank you for joining us. James is Director of Engineering and Manufacturing for AVT, which is AVTC, and his primary business is a manufacturing line of high-tech vending and product dispensing centers. He's made some really good progress, and there'll be more progress to come, and we've done some research offline, and so I think you'll find this very interesting. I'll read the safe harbor comments at the end. So, James, let's talk a little bit about what makes AVT such a unique company.
Okay, great. Well, really very straightforward and simply put, AVT develops and integrates technology into our own line of design and manufacturing vending and product dispensing systems, making the systems the operation much more efficient and magnitudes basically ahead of traditional vending systems in their operation. So basically, based on history and of other current manufacturers, AVT in many ways is blazing the trail and therefore is a very quite unique vending company.
So you've got, I think as we talked, you've got 3 top technology-based products that are hot for 2009, and I'm wondering if you could kind of go through those 3 for the listener.
Absolutely. We have several, but this year in 2009, we're really looking for 3 that are very hot. One of our top systems is our tech store. This is truly a vending masterpiece, if you will. It's a PC-based system that drives 2 LCDs, one large LCD for advertising, and the second LCD for product selection and guidance to complete a transaction, an intuitive transaction. This will be probably AVT's top 2009 product of the year. One of our second hot products is that will probably gain AVT great recognition is our cashless vending module. This is designed to allow AVT systems and soon other vending systems to take cashless payments such as credit cards, debit, or other custom prepaid cards. And rounding it off here, the top 3 is an exciting product. That's our RAM 5000. We've basically designed this for the past year, and this is a high-efficiency vending system powered by a Coinco control board, and is designed with the capabilities of adding optional technology such as our now all-integrated all-in-one 7-inch LCD and PC system, which can easily take cashless payments and send down sales information via the internet.
So then let's talk a little bit about AVT's expected revenue for 2009 and how that compares to the revenues that you generated in 2008. Okay,
well, with these hot products and with, again, the release of the 5000 and our tech store, we actually have expect to do over $6 million in gross sales in 2009. I know this is actually just a bit more than double. And you might ask the question of why in a down economy would we be doing so well? And it's pretty straightforward. The significant in sales due in part to actual signed contracts for custom product dispensing centers such as the tech store and the RAM 5000. This is truly the balance behind the $6 million, I should say, gross sales in 2009.
Okay, then when we were talking about the products, we were talking about the tech store product dispensing center, and you mentioned that was one of the hot products, and perhaps you could share with the listener why this is such a hot system.
Well, Francis, the tech store is truly an ideal vending system for the future. It's a PC-based system, as I said before, with multiple displays and multiple payment options. It can be configured to basically dispense everything from batteries and cell phones to iPods and DVDs. You can customize colorful wraps and your own theme, if you will, therefore giving the system a branded look and feel, your own branded look and feel. What's truly amazing about the tech store is the ability for most businesses, small and large, an affordable and efficient means of expanding their business to reach areas of demographics they merely dreamed about in the past.
So let's talk about one of the other technologies that you mentioned, the RAM 5000.
Okay, again, AVT spent last year developing this system to be compatible in the baseline costs without of the, let's call it the traditional large vending operators and manufacturers. And this system, though, has the flexibility of adding options to make the system much more efficient via emailing status and sales back to the operator's PC or server, as well as being combined to integrate with their software that they may have for determining sales information, as well as being able to put in these features such as this 7-inch widescreen LCD that we talked about, giving the vendor operator many more different efficient ways of handling transactions and/or sales information. Now, this also the 7-inch system allows for advertising on the display, which can generate additional revenue or specifically brand new products that manufacturers might be wanting to put in to complete a credit or I should say to also complete debit and transaction payments. As I said, the system is going to be very, very versatile. It's going to be our system for 2009, and it's quite a remarkable system.
So if you were in front of AVT shareholders, what would you tell them right now?
I would tell them to buy more stock. That might sound funny, but as incredible as it might sound, 2009 will just really be AVT's year. As I stated before, we have over $6 million in current signed orders. We've never really actually had signed orders in the past, so we've got actual contracts. That coupled with the Ram 5000, the new product for AVT that's going into production, and we just now started, I should say, releasing production numbers, and so we'll be expanding those out into the marketplace here in the first and second quarter of 2009. And with the areas of the digital display advertising and these systems that have all of our systems are now compatible, the ones that AVT manufactures with digital displays, this will mean future orders and sign up new distributors who are requiring, let's call them smart vending systems and requiring technology. So we'll say that this is a reason for our shareholders to be not only excited but possibly go out and buy more stock. And with all this combined efforts of AVT putting forth with the new Ram 5000 and our signed contracts, just overall sales, our stock will surely rise.
So what do you think AVT will be releasing as new products in 2009?
Well, Francis, as a public company, I really can't reveal much, but I will tell you this, that AVT is extremely focused right now. We're very dedicated, and we plan on staying on track and strive to exceed all of our sales and manufacturing goals and our mission and value statements.
Great, James. Thank you very much for joining us.
I appreciate your time, Francis. Thank you.
Appreciate it. We've been talking with James Windsor, who is Director of Engineering and Manufacturing at AVT. Symbol is AVTC, and read the safe harbor comment. Statements contained in this interview, including those pertaining to estimates, related plans, potential mergers, acquisitions, growth, establishing new markets, expansion into new markets, and related plans, other than statements of historical fact, are forward-looking, subject to a number of uncertainties that could cause actual results to differ materially from statements made. Well, James, again, thank you very much.
Thank you, Francis.
And thank you for listening.